Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Halo apartments located at 7 Devon Road. So we are just on the outskirts of New Kingston. To the left of where we are is the Usain Bolt call center. Straight ahead from the Halo you will see the construction of the Rogers, which is a 20-floor building, the tallest building in Jamaica. And this is the Halo. Now this building is very unique because it's literally built out of glass. When you look at it, you would think it's a hotel, but it's actually apartments. It will consist of 61 units, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units. Very modern, it's very modern look to the building. We can't show you the finished product because of these copyright rules. To can't show you the copyrighted image, but we're giving you an update to show you how far they've reached. Now I'm not sure how many floors this building is. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below, but it looks massive. I mean, this is definitely more than 10 floors just by looking at it, or it could be 10 floors, but it's 61 units and the completion date is 2025. And I must say this building is going up quickly, so it's probably foreign contractors doing it. And a few persons had asked us to make this video. So guys, any development you want us to make a video of, any video at all, just leave a comment, leave the name in the comments below, and we will definitely get it done. Maybe not right away, but we'll definitely get it done. This is a very nice development, and it's ideally located. Devon Road is actually the entrance to the office of the Prime Minister. It's a very popular road. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. At the end of the video we'll give you a 360 view of the area so you can see how central it is located. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and if anybody knows how many floors this building will be, leave it in the comment section below. Alright guys, have a good day.